Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, today we will start with chapter 4, our monuments. First we will learn and see the new words so that it will be easy for you to understand and write the same in your notebook. Let's start. Number 1. Heritage. H-E-R-I-T-A-G-E. Heritage. Heritage means a property that is or may be inherited. Heritage का मतलब होता है विरासत. Number 2. Minar. M-I-N-A-R. Nar. Minar means a tower. Number 3. Granite. G-R-A-N-I-T-E. Night. Granite. Granite means a very hard, igneous rock used as building stone. Number 4. Emperor. E-M-M-P-E-R-R-O-R. Emperor. Emperor means ruler of an empire. Emperor का मतलब होता है सम्राट. Number 5. Hoist. H-O-I-S-T. Hoist. Hoist means to raise something. Hoist का मतलब होता है फहराना. Number 6. Breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. Breeze means a gentle wind. Breeze का मतलब होता है ठंडी हवा. Number 7. Carving. C-A-R-V. Carve. I-N-G. Carving. Carving means an object or design carved from a hard material as an artistic work. Carving का मतलब होता है नक्काशी. Number 8. Magnificent. M-A-G. Mag. N-I. Ni. F-I. C-E-N-T. Cent. Magnificent. Magnificent means extremely beautiful. Magnificent का मतलब होता है शानदार. Number 9. Monument. M-O. Mo. N-U. Nyo. M-E-N-T. Ment. Monument. Monument means a building or site that is of historical importance. Monument का मतलब होता है स्मारक. Number 10. Mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. Mosque means a Muslim place of worship. Mosque का मतलब होता है मस्जिद. Let's revise. Heritage, Minar, Granite, Emperor, Hoist, Breeze, Carving, Magnificent, Monument, Mosque.
Chapter 4. Our monuments. India is a land of diverse culture and religious heritage. People of many religions live in India. There are many beautiful buildings and monuments of religious and historical importance in India and are a major tourist attraction of today. These monuments were built when India was ruled over by different rulers, especially between 12th and 18th century. Some of these monuments are the Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is situated in Delhi. The construction of Qutub Minar started in 1193 by Qutubuddin Aibak, but it was completed by Iltutmish in 1197. It is built with red sandstone. The minar has 9 stories and is 73 meters tall. It is the tallest brick minaret in the world. The minar tapers as it goes higher. It has a winding staircase inside it that leads to the top of the minar. It is one of the major tourist attractions. The Char Minar. The Char Minar is situated in Hyderabad. It was built by Qutub Shah in 1591. It has 4 pillars made of white granite. It is a monument and mosque. Today, a densely populated city has flourished around it. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra, that was built between 1631 and 1648 on the banks of river Yamuna. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It was built by Shah Jahan as a tomb in the memory of his beloved queen Mumtaz. It was built with white marble. Every year, thousands of visitors from all over the world come to see this historical monument. The Red Fort. The Red Fort is situated in Delhi. It was built in 1648 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan during his reign. It is called the Red Fort as it is built with red sandstone. It has widespread beautiful gardens extending to all the sides. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag in front of the Red Fort to celebrate Independence Day every year. The Hawa Mahal. The Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur. It is also known as Palace of Breeze as it has 953 windows on its walls. It was built by Maharaja Savai Singh in 1799. It was built with red sandstone as the Raja's summer palace. Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple is situated in Madurai, a small town in Tamil Nadu. It is dedicated to goddess Parvati, known as Meenakshi, and Lord Shiva. It was built between 1623 and 1655. The outer walls of the temple have beautiful and colorful carvings. The Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial is situated in Kolkata. It is built with white marble between 1906 and 1921. It was built as a tribute to Queen Victoria of England. It presents a magnificent view to the tourists. The Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is situated in Mumbai. It was built in the 20th century between 1914 and 1924 to welcome King George V and Queen Mary to India for the very first time. It is built on the waterfront and marks one of India's major ports. It is one of the major tourist attractions of Mumbai today. Now I know. The historical places situated in Delhi are the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, and the India Gate. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. The Gateway of India, situated in Mumbai, was built to welcome King George V. The Victoria Memorial, situated in Kolkata, was built in the honor of Queen Victoria. The Hawa Mahal in Jaipur was built as the king's summer palace. Meenakshi Temple is situated in Madurai, Tamil Nadu.